Pranam. Today, in this new series of Sanskrit Shlok explanations in the humane way, I am going to start with a very, very special shloka about Gyan, about the humane knowledge, about a precaution for a person who is pursuing Gyan, humane knowledge. But if you are new to this channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and share this channel with your friends and with strangers too. Gyanam Bharah Kriyang Bina. This is the shlok. I will tell you the meaning of this shlok by breaking the shlok. Gyanam, you know Gyan. Gyan is that humane knowledge, that humane knowledge which makes a human being humane, means which makes a human being live up to the standard of human beings. Human beings are not here to kill, to terrorize, to s- tell someone you are wrong, you are right, or you are it's wrong and right. Still people can understand, but not to tell people that you are useless if you don't follow my group, if you don't follow my political party or religious party, then you are good for nothing, you are better be killed, dead by our group. And that is also a big privilege for us, as the group members of that religious group. Gyan is not that. Gyan is that immaculate, immortal, and eternal knowledge, eternal set of information, which is not just typing on Google and getting a set of information, which is not just a set of information. It is the when you mm, when you take, like those people who have eaten vegetarian food and everything, when you extract the drops out of something big, like for example there's a thing called shilajit is something which people intake for a lot of power and things. So it is the droplet, this is the when two mountains crush together, then there are some water droplets, the juice that comes out from the two mountain crushing. So it is something like that. When the information that has been used, ex, excuse me, that has been experienced by people from ages, when that happens, like for example in Bharat, people from millions of years has been using a piece of information and then going deeply and deeply for centuries and millenniums into that one thing and extracting the nectar out of that information, that the nectar of which is extracted from a set of information, that is gyan always makes us you know be empowered within. And when we are empowered within, then we could empower around us. Then that empowerment shows in our actions, in our works. So, Gyanam Bharah, Gyana is useless, but Gyan is supposed to be the most important thing in the world. It is it is supposed to be the most necessary thing in the world for a person who wants to be a human being, be an ideal human being, who wants to live an ideal life, who wants to be content in his life or in her life, who wants to be the happiest person in his or her life, who want to be richest within, who wants to leave a legacy in this world. For that person, Gyan is so important. So why this shlok, this four-word shlok, Gyanang Bhara Kriyang Bina? says in the first two words, 50% of it says Gyanan Bharah, Gyan is useless. But you have to understand the next two words. Kriyang Bina means without actions, which means if you have learned just one thing and if you have not used it in your life, if you have not made it into some actionable steps, then it's useless. Like after Corona, many, these motivational speakers popped up and many online coaches popped up and all. So many people would join them, and they know how to catch their prey by saying, oh, you will have this, your this dream will get fulfilled, that dream will get fulfilled, you will have a holiday on the beach and eat in seven-star hotels and get the girl you want, get the diamonds you want, and all these things. So they would trap those people. Well, so what happens, many of them, they just lose their money. Why? Because they have given some information and they never used it in their life. They rejected using them in their life. So it is futile. If you have gyan, if you have something very special and you have not used it to make your life grow, to make humanities, to do something good out of that Gyan, that Shastra. Like, for example, today I have told you this shlok, Gyanan Bharah Kriyang Bina. If you don't use it in your life, if you don't make it like learn one thing one day and use it for 1 month, then that will be the best use of the Shastras of Bharat. And that is why people who could align themselves with the Shastras of Bharat, they are those people who live a content, happy, and richest within life. Like I have been living, I tell to people around me that I'm the happiest, content, and the richest person on earth since, I don't know, I've been telling this for nearly 2.5 decades. So this is so I thought when I start this Satyugi Gurukul classes, Satyugi Gurukul information thing, videos, so I must start with this thing. So take care of yourself, take care of all the good things that you get in life, and then use it to make your life, this life, best life. Okay, so if you liked anything in this video, write it below to inspire others, and tell others to also see this video and share it to their friends, and also comment below. Okay, have a good day till the time we meet again. Pranam.